So this is one that we haven't done yet. This one is named that number. One tip that I gave friends in Lane College is that when we name that number, we do not use the word and. So this number will be 5,249. Again, 5,249. I'm going to snap my finger, and when I snap my finger, you're going to name that number. Good job, friends. Let's move on to the next one. All right, friends, this is another review. The question is, how much more liquid is in container 3 compared to container 2? I know that this question focuses on two containers, container 3 and container 2. Let's look at container 3. I see that the liquid in this container stops right here. So I know that there are 6 liters in container 3. Let's look at container 2. I see that the liquid only stops at the second interval, which represents 2 liters. So we want to figure out what mathematical operation are we going to use to solve this problem. It says how much more liquid is in container 3 compared to container 2. Friends, I want you to think to yourself for about 3 seconds, what mathematical operation are we going to use to solve this problem? If we are trying to determine how much more something is, we know that the mathematical operation we're going to use is subtraction. So I know that I have to take the number in container 3, which was 6, and subtract it from container 2, which had 2 liters, which would give me 4 liters. All right. Also, you want to make sure that you are ending your answer in the units that were given on the containers. So container 3 has 4 more liters than container 2. Again, how much more, meaning that I would have to subtract. I included my units on the end of my answer, letting me know that container 3 has 4 more liters than container 2. All right, name that number picture. I see that the number on top is 320. This number is 320. Okay? The number that was given to me was 20. What number can I add with 20 that would give me 320? What number can I add with 20 to give me 320? That's right, friends, 300. One thing we also want to do, good scholars check their work. All right, so on the side, I'm going to check my work. I have 300 plus 20. I just want to make sure that my answer equals the number that was given at the top. If I add those two numbers together, it will have given me 320. Excellent job, friends. What is 527 in expanded form? What is 527 in expanded form? All right, let's look at the number. The number is 527. I need to know my place values. So I know that 5 is in my 100, 2 is in my tens, and 7 is my 1. So if I gave this number in expanded form or expanded notation, it will be 5 hundredths, 2 tens, and 7 ones. Again, 5 hundredths, 2 tens, and 7 ones. Again, another name that picture, friends. The number at the top I have is 340. The number that it was given, or the number that I have to use, is 30. I want you to put on your thinking cap and tell me in the comment section, what number can I add with 30 that will give me 340? Again, what number can I add to 30 that will equal 340? You're going to tell me your answer in the comment section, friends.